What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download your favorite TikTok videos without the TikTok watermark on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open the TikTok app and navigate to the video you wish to download to your iPhone. Next, tap on the share icon on the bottom right of your screen. It should look like an arrow. From here, scroll past the first options and tap on Live Photo. It will take a couple of seconds to convert the TikTok to a live photo, and it will automatically be saved to your camera roll. If it's not loading properly, then ensure you're using a reliable network connection. You should also allow TikTok access to your camera roll to save the video. When this is done, close the TikTok app and open the Photos app on your iOS device. Here, in the Recents album, head to the saved live photo. Tap on the menu icon on the top right and select Save as Video. This will allow you to save the TikTok as a video file without the watermark. You might notice that there is currently no sound yet. If you wish to include the sound, then head back to the TikTok app and select to share the same video again. From this list of options, proceed to save the TikTok as a video to your camera roll. You can then edit the two files to use the video footage from the first and the audio from the second. You can do this by using CapCut or iMovie, both of which are free to use. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.